Good evening still. Today this is Orlando Samuel from Rural Students Learning Computer, a teacher on YouTube and our physical classes in Muguluka. I would like to thank our followers on YouTube and our subscribers. I just want to encourage you that don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share and comment so that you can give us a go ahead either to improve on our performance. So today, as we have been doing, today we are still continuing with our lessons in WordPress, and today we are going to go steps by step. We are just going to handle part by part. Last time we were talking about, we were learning how to install WordPress, how to create accounts and giving them passwords up to the dashboard, and that was the teacher's work or the teacher's guide to do that process of installing the software. So now today I want us to begin I want us to begin from the dashboard. Last time we ended when we have installed the plugins, the themes, and you have deleted the posts and pages. So still, this is the new this is the new account. I'm going to follow a question. One of our friends posted a question that we should follow this, as I posted in the group, that let someone post a question, then we go through that question. So today we have this question. We have this question paper here, so we are going to follow this. This is going to guide us to do our simple website. So we are first going to do that part of customizing. I'll tell you how to customize, then from there we go through as we move on. So that question, first of all, what I need is the what I close this, sorry. What I need is the topic, which what are they talking about? They're talking about a school which is Nansorolo Primary School. When they save it, sorry. So I have the paper here. It is here. So they are saying this is Nansorolo Primary School, and where I have my account. So I may not follow this account or this topic here to create an account, but I can create an account using a school. Like you have a school, you can create accounts using just a school, or you can create accounts using you create account, you call them, you name for the student just to remember. But I have my account already up to the dashboard. It is here. So it is here. So this part here, if I I've just reached the dashboard. I have just installed all I've just installed WordPress. So if I just log in like this, localhost / my account was Nansololo. Sorry, my account was Nansololo. This is Nansololo, like that. So that's how my account is looking like. So as now I told you that we have to remove these sample pages, those dummy content. See, like as you see in publisher, you pick a page which has the content. We usually call them templates. So you pick a template which already has the number of text boxes, which the student is supposed to delete those text box and replace them with the right content to be put on that page. So we are going to remove all these sample pages and the posts. I remember I will finish the previous video. We covered this, to remove the sample pages, these posts here, the hello world. So we are going to remove them. How? I just come. So now, assuming I'm a student, that my teacher gave me the password and the what. So I just reach here. Let's begin again afresh. my teacher gave me the password. So I just come and begin it from the start. I open this server, and then I start this Apache, and I start my SQL. I leave it there. So I go for the browser, like this is, I'm using Firefox, and it is the, for now it is the best, if I'm to say, it's the best browser for this WordPress on local servers. So I'm logging in. You're supposed to give me the name, the username, and the password as a teacher, giving to me as a student. So I open localhost slash, the account is that account. So just, if I just open like that, it means I can't edit. So what I do, I have to meet the dashboard. I add WP. WP means WordPress. Then this is admin. That one only means I'm going to the dashboard. So here I'm supposed to write the name. This is Lolo. So if you save the password for the student, it's good. It is very good that maybe after reaching here, that student may not get hard time to enter the dashboard. So what you do, the student just type just this two letters, one letter, and see the account is there. Even the password is generated automatically because I saved it. So just log in, then saving in. It is okay for the student, for the teacher to enter the dashboard and delete the posts and pages, delete install plugins that your students may need to use, the contact form, the simple static to save their sites to export from dynamic to static, which your enable requires. So reaching the dashboard here, I want to move, as you saw there, I want to move this post, the pages, the sample pages. So I come, I click here, then I click bulk actions, then move to trash, and I apply. Automatically I delete those pages, they will be out, they will be gone. So even the posts, the same way, I come and click, move to trash, then I apply. Thereafter, so now I only have what? I only have, I think, that bad, that theme, the first theme of WordPress. Sorry, it's not dashboard. Localhost slash Lolo. That's my page. So now we no longer see the sample page, they are there. The hello world, they are not there. So you see. So what I'm supposed to do now is to install my favorite theme. You can say I want to install my friendly theme that I can use to edit this. So I'm going to install Astra. Just click appearance. I think we learned all this. Let's just go through. Then we go for the customizing, upload theme, then browse. I look for where I saved my softwares. This is your work as a teacher. This is not the work of the student. So what I do, I'm looking for Astra. Come and open, then I install. After installing, I have to activate. I'm sorry, my voice is not clear, but let's move on. I think you can hear me. So I'm installing Astra. After installing, so I wanted us to begin at least some steps back, of which we covered, that I can pick you from that side if you didn't understand the last time, the last moment of that video. So I've just activated. Now it is the first theme. If I refresh this site, I will see my theme. Changing this. Now this is the appearance of Astra. I told you, remember that a theme gives you the appearance of your website. Now the plugins, they add, or they extend the functionality of your website, or they increase, or like they add that functionality, of which let me say what they just add on the functionality of sorry, if I still put this power. So what I'm saying, like, they are the plugins, they add functionality already they install the software, or they just extend the functionality. Like you want to add the value in what you already installed software can give you. So you want to add the functionality that maybe let my website perform more than it is doing. So just add the plugins. Those are there are a number of plugins that you can install according to what you want, according to the way you want your site to run or to behave. So just I want to install just two plugins. Like I just need for contact form 7. Like if I'm to use a form, then next I need the what simple static key for saving my site from dynamic site to static site, so that I can burn on a CD, I can transfer on a flash or any storage device like that. So simple static I'm installing for saving, for like for exporting to static. Wordpress only can't do that. So I've installed Astra here. No, simple static is here. So I'm installing again. I want to add which plugin I want to add. Connect Form 7. Upload plugin. Then I browse. I want contact form 7. It is here. I open. So now I'm just going to end there, like about plugins and what plugins and the theme. So you can install a number of plugins like 100 plus, but and all you can activate them, they run, like they become, you activate each plugin that you install, but the theme you install only one. So you can only use a theme, you can only activate one theme, you activate a single theme at a time. So you can't use a number of themes. But the plugins you can add as many as you wish, according to just the way you want your site to behave or to look like, not even to look like, but to function. When it comes to appearance, that is the theme. So I'm done with the installing simple static. I'm done with installing contact form 7. So what I do, I want to customize. Now that is our main topic today. We are learning how to customize. How do I customize my, like, customizing means I want to either add content to watch that theme, or I want to, like, what should I say, someone has a clothes but wants that clothes to fit him. So what you do, either you enlarge it or you reduce it in size. That's what we're calling customizing. I'm going to customize my theme, which is what this is Astra here. I'm just going to customize. So either to add on what it has, or to remove what it has. Already I'm seeing the side bars here. I'm going to remove them. I don't need them for my work. So what I can begin with that sidebar, I remove those side bars. So here I'm customizing. You see, I'm moving all the side bars. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to use the blog, how to do how to deal with forms, how to deal with tables, like that. So just for this video, we are learning how to customize. Then the next video we shall begin with the editing and how to use the Gutenberg editor. So if I'm customizing, I have to publish. If I'm editing, I have to update. If I'm using theme Astra. If I'm using Elementor, that one might be, that one you just publish, or just maybe sometimes it's also to give you update somewhere here. But if I'm customizing, I have to publish to save the changes. So my main part, or my main aim here in customizing, what While sometimes if you open some old browsers, you can't find this customizing menu here. So that's why I recommend to use this browser here, Firefox. So my main point here, I want to deal with header builder and the footer builder. Those are the major parts here, like I'm to say. The global, just there you find them. You find there button is the what? The paragraph there you find there font families. The font styles they are here. You want to change how do you want your words to look like? That's like it in Word. Colors, you want background colors, hover colors, the link colors, they are there. Container, you want to stretch your page to fit everywhere. This is the container. Either you make it boxed, either you make it fluid contained, fluid stretched, but I can make it fluid contained. So anyway, I just want to just point at the major what customizing menu here. I want header builder. In under header builder here, we are going to look at the site title and logo. Then you look at the primary menu. I've been seeing questions from your neighbor that include page links on your what on each of your page. So those page links, the one we call the primary menus here now. You have the home, you have the about us page, you have the what, but they are well linked, and you can navigate through your site. So that's what those are the navigation bars or the page links. So now we are going to them the primary menus now this side. So I'm just going to first write the site title, then after I can begin with the logo. I select logo, I select my logo. I think the teacher, you're supposed to look for a number of pictures that your students can use. Either go to PowerPoint and take pictures there and save them as images in a specified folder. You can direct your student to search for them. So I'm just going to use. I just designed my simple logo. Going to use this. So I open my logo like that. I keep cropping. I have my logo there. So that logo I can reduce it. Be careful here. I can reduce my logo like that. Then site title. This is now the site title, the major heading that down up there. So I want to write it is Nansololo. Sorry, I'm writing big letters, but you can change even if in small letters. Nansololo primary school. So that is my heading. As I type, you see the heading appearing this side. So I want to this is display site tagline. The site tagline I can use it motto, or I can use any slogan of that school if they have, but I can use their what, the motto, their motto says never give up. So I'm just going to write that, never give up, never give up. So as I write, it also appears here. This is the site tagline, this side. So I'm just going to go faster. This is the site icon. You can use the site icon, but for school issues I can leave that. So now I've just made this part here. I'm just done with this part, site title and logo, but under header builder, site title and logo. So I'm going for the primary menu. The primary menu, I say configure menu from here. Then this side under primary menu, I say just come and say create new menu. Then I name them. I'm going to call them the main menu, the major. So I say main, then I come inside, Next, then I add. I add. I want how many pages? We talked of page 1. They're calling. I'm going to call it home page. This is my page. The first page is called home or index page. So I'm going to call it home page. The page, then page 2. They're saying to contain data from what? Just I'm going to say about us. If like I'm going to say about us. Okay, I guess we're going to use the 3 pages: home, about us, and contact us. So we are here. We are here. I'm just going to use home. I add. You see my page this side. About us. About us. Be careful when teaching these students. They may use this form with the custom link. That is the dummy content, the page that you found the dummy content on this page here. So you ignore this part, this that form there. About us, this is contact us. Then I add. But I have my 3 pages. So now I'm ready to go this side to go back test. Let me turn back. Still, if you don't see this arrow turning back, it means you have to scroll back. You scroll up, then you see this arrow. It sometimes disappears, and you either click cancel, click this arrow here. So this is the arrow for back, this side here. So I'm done with header builder. I have my menu already well linked. If I click on home, it will load. It has the links already. So just from my customizing already, the student will be already holding marks from this side. I want to edit this, my footer. I can put, if I'm a student, I want to put designed by my name and index number, not powered by, designed. Let me use sentence case. Designed by Samuel U0023 slash, that is it, okay, slash 067. I'm done with my footer. If I want to put Makweb, I can put Makweb here in text. You click text, then you put Makweb from the start and the end. So that's your watch if you wish to do it. Okay, let me just put it. But for the student, he is supposed to do what the question requires him or her to do. This is Makweb. So just after writing that, you see my words moving. This is Makweb. So that is it. I come back. So I'm done with footer and header. That's the major one. But don't forget, you had the other page, the custom, the home page with the custom link. So it means when you log in into your site, you find that page, it will always be blank because you're not using it. But what you do, just come to home page settings here. Then you say, now I want to make my home page, this home page, to be the static page that every time I enter into my site, I find my right page displaying at the first page. So that is it. You may ask yourself why I have not gone for menus, for site identity. If I go for menus, why I have them? They are there. If I decide to pay my menu, I have them there. I'm done with those menus. Site identity, just this site logo and title like that. I have them there. I already designed them. The performance, this one I can leave it. Sidebars I removed it. For the blog, if I have the blog page, the post page, I can use the blog. Page cramp, this page cramp, just it is I can, let me just put it. I put it after. Just it is here just to show you directly that you are from home to this page. You are from this side, so it is just this part here. If I click about us, you see it will show me that I'm from home to about us. That is it. This is the breadcrumb. So I guess my main parts here was the header build and the site and footer builder. To add on that, just to set my home page settings to make it a static pages, my home page, then to delete the sidebars, and that is all. So if I'm done with this, I publish. But just customizing, I have the marks for the shared banner for all the pages. I have my logo there. I have my page well linked. They are well linked. They are well linked. So after publishing, I just come. I can create a new tab. I just remove this. Then I go for the dashboard. Then I edit this. Let me just add this side. Localhost / nansolo. Okay. I have my already. I have logged in already. So this is now my page. That's my page, and now we are going to begin editing. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to edit, how to use the blocks, how to add, like which block should we use, and that is we are going to call it the Gutenberg editor. Then the way you pick, like it is just drag and draw. Like I want to pick a photo, I click on the block of photo, I just put a photo. So now this side, it is the most simplest thing to do in editing. So I want us to end here for this video. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. I want us to be cooperative. Share the video, you comment, then as we move on to increase on what to increase on our performance to meet your need, like we say. So bye bye for today. Have a good night.